This is the DYU D3F, a compact folding e-bike made for riders who want something simple, practical, and easy to store. The video starts from the box, so the first thing to notice is the packaging. The bike is protected inside the carton with foam and wrapping around the main parts. This part is useful for showing what the customer receives before the bike is fully ready. As the packaging comes off, the D3F begins to show its main character. It has a small frame, compact wheels, folding pedals, fenders, and a clean DYU side panel. The overall size is one of the reasons people choose this model. It is easier to move around, easier to park, and easier to keep at home when space is limited. The next part of the video focuses on setup and checking details. You can see the handlebar area, the front section, the pedal, the frame lock area, and the small parts around the drivetrain. This is the right moment to talk about the D3F as a straightforward folding e-bike. Unfold it, check the locking points, make sure the moving parts are secure, and then get it ready for a short ride. The compact design also makes the bike feel less complicated. It does not need much room when it is parked, and it is easier to place in an apartment, a garage, a small storage room, or near an entrance. For people who do not want a large bike taking up space, that is a real advantage. The D3F is best for short local trips, quick stops, light weekend riding, and simple everyday movement. It is not trying to be a large motorcycle-style e-bike. The value is in the small size, the folding design, and the easy parking. The close-up shots show the parts that matter before riding: the pedal position, the lock area, the frame connection, the wheels, the fenders, and the DYU body panel. These details make the video feel like a real setup check instead of just a beauty shot. For a customer, this kind of bike makes sense when the trip is short, parking space is limited, or a full-size bike feels like too much. You can take it out, set it up, ride it around the neighborhood, and put it away without needing a large storage area. The D3F also has a clean, minimal look. The frame is compact. The side panel is simple, and the folding parts are easy to understand from the video. That makes it a good option for riders who want an e-bike that feels practical, not oversized. So the main idea is clear. The DYU D3F is a small folding electric bike for people who care about easy handling, simple storage, quick parking, and short-distance riding. From the box to the setup details, this video shows the bike in a practical way, without making the story feel disconnected from the visuals.